Good morning. Today we will discuss benzene. Yesterday we discussed nomenclature of monosubstituted arene. Chemists have classified organic compounds into two classes, aliphatic and aromatic. The term aromatic compounds was first used by Kekulé to classify benzene and its derivatives, many of which possessed fragrant color of aroma. As new facts came to light, the term aromatic came to be associated with chemical stability rather than any atoms. Aromatic compounds have higher percentage of carbon than aliphatic compounds. These compounds are called aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic compounds resembles benzene in chemical behavior. If a hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by an alkyl, alkenyl, alkanyl or aryl group, the hydrocarbon so obtained is termed as arene, for example, ethyl benzene. Those aromatic hydrocarbons which contain more than one benzene ring are called polynuclear aromatic compounds. For example, naphthalene, anthracene, diphenyl, methane, etc. Let's start structure of benzene and aromaticity. Structure of benzene and aromaticity. Chemists have classified organic compounds into two classes, aliphatic and aromatic compounds are benzene and all those compounds which show properties similar to benzene. Aromatic properties are those properties of benzene that distinguish it from aliphatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are highly unsaturated even then they do not give addition reaction normally. Instead, they undergo substitution reactions. They are highly stable. It is clear that its molecular structure is responsible for all unusual reactions. Therefore, it is most important to discuss the structure of their parent hydrocarbon benzene. Now the structure of benzene. First point is molecular formula. Elemental analysis and molecular weight determination have shown its molecular formula to be C6H6. Second point is nature of unsaturation. On comparing the molecular formula of benzene with that of saturated hydrocarbon, for example, anhexene, that is C6H14, it is observed that benzene molecule is short of 8 hydrogen atoms. This shows that benzene is a highly unsaturated molecular. Its general formula is CnH2n-6. Third point is, in certain reactions, benzene behave like unsaturated compounds, that is olefins, because benzene adds 6 atoms of hydrogen, halogen and forms triazonite. Now the reactions are C6H6 plus 3H2 gives C6H12. This is this reaction. C6H6 plus 3H2 in the presence of nickel gives C6H12, that is cyclohexane. Second reaction is C6H6 plus 3X2 in presence of HNO gives C6H6X6 benzene hexachloride. X is equal to Cl. Third reaction is C6H6 plus 3O3 in presence of CCl4 gives C6H6 3O3 benzene triazonide. These reactions indicate that in benzene, 3 double bonds are present, whereas its general formula requires 8 atoms of hydrogen, halogens, etc. Only then it behaves like a straight chain saturated hydrocarbon. That means it contains 4 double bonds either in the form of 2 triple bond or 2 double bond and 1 triple bond. On this basis, we can write the following open chain structures for benzene. The first reaction is CH2 double bond C double bond CH single bond CH double bond C double bond CH2. Second reaction is CH triple bond C single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond C triple bond CH. In third reaction, CH2 double bond CH single bond C triple bond C single bond CH double bond CH2. In fourth reaction, CH3 single bond C triple bond C single bond C triple bond C single bond CH3. If the above open chain structure for benzene are correct, then we need 8 atoms of hydrogen and 8 atoms of halogen so that a saturated molecule is obtained. Whereas the molecule of benzene requires only 6 atoms. If the above open chain structure is correct, then benzene should react with halogen acid and should decolorizing alkaline KMnO4 solution. But benzene does not show reaction with above reagents. Thus, benzene cannot be represented by the above open chain formula. The reaction is C6H6 plus HX, no reaction. C6H6 plus H6, no reaction. Second is C6H6 in the presence of alkaline KMnO4 does not decolorize. On the basis of above discussion, it is concluded that in some reactions, benzene behave like unsaturated compounds. Addition of hydrogen, halogen, ozone, while in some others, it does not behave like unsaturated compound, that is, reaction with halogen acid and alkaline KMnO4 solution, olefins. These facts reveal that the unsaturation in benzene is not similar to alkene but has a special type of unsaturation called diminished unsaturation. On this basis, open chain formula for benzene is rejected. Now the point is ring structure for benzene. On the basis of above facts, Kekulé in 1865 suggested a ring structure for benzene. He observed that since benzene forms triazonides, thus it should have 3 double bonds. Second point is benzene forms only one monosubstitution product. It is only possible when all the 6 hydrogen atoms are same. Third is benzene forms 3 types of disubstitution products of the formula C6H4X2. None of the open chain formula suggests any disubstitution products. On this basis, Kekulé suggested the following ring structure for benzene. It is a regular hexagon structure. In each corner of the hexagon, a carbon atom is present. To show the fourth valency of carbon atom, Kekulé modified this formula by putting alternate double bonds and gave the following formula. This is the formula for Kekulé structure. So this is all about structure of benzene and aromaticity.